Happy Monday, everybody! Okay, so it's Monday. Last night, the 16th birth celebration dropped. And you should go watch that right now if you haven't yet. What can I say? I'm 16 years old, and I'm about to squirt some lean in my water. It's not that bad.
Oh man. Okay. It's all yours.
This is how we do Mondays.
That was great. It feels good, man.
By the way, we're repping Free Todd today. I don't know if Emerson's wearing his, but
I'm
wearing
repping Free Todd.
Free Todd, y'all. Just
Wait, save Todd.
Save William Free Todd.
Free Willy.
And read that Chinese. Someone translate that for me and comment it.
I'm pretty sure it's Japanese.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, is my tongue blue?
We at Young Life.
Oh my god. Please don't.
Straight shit. So much worse than I thought it would be. Open your mouth. No water, no water, no water. You can't have water. He said so much water. I'm sorry.
Deros.
Alright guys, so I'm at work right now. It's Tuesday afternoon. Nothing really crazy happened at school today. I just got some editing done. And I got a great birthday gift from a good friend of mine. My dear friend Dory Heldreth came through Clutch and got me this today for my birthday. This is the Atomic Purple Game Boy Color. If you don't know what this is, then you're really missing out. Other than that, the day was pretty uneventful. As I said, I'm working right now, and I'm about to go home and do some homework. And I have a lot of other crap to do, so nothing else is going to be happening tonight. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so last night it rained like super hard, and there was a huge thunderstorm, lots of lightning, all that. And I just came outside to start my car, and like half of our driveway fell off the side of the driveway. So I'll probably show you that again later whenever it's lighter outside.
Ocean.
In our love time, I should have
At a broken heart is blind.
Oh my god! Oh my! Oh my god! Oh my! Oh my! Oh! Oh my! Oh!
This is our driveway, but this is pretty gnarly. It's like a small cliff on the side of our house here. I just got home from school and work, and we are meeting up for the camping trip at Zaxby's in like an hour with Connor and a bunch of other dudes. I'm going to pick up Connor, that's why I said Connor. And that's just what's about to happen. So, yeah. We're back in the car.
Practice?
Here's Connor.
That sucks.
How do you feel about this?
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, we're driving to the campsite. We just got snacks and foods.
Snacks.
Yeah, let's get it.
The way, please don't be a hero. Put you on the track.
See how strong you are. Can you get that?
Let me fish for a little bit, then I'll watch you.
Did you ever eat acids? Because I like to do that and then I like to take a bubble bath. Skeeter ain't gonna do nothing, bro.
Nick, you wanna go on the
Ocean.
Okay, so we got to the campsite and got set up, and now we're out in the woods with all of these man turds, and we're just looking around, exploring and doing ish. Jonah's over here in the water, being Jonah. There's a beautiful sunset here, and we're just loving life, just doing things, doing big things over here, and it's just amazing, you know.
Is this still water, John?
Lit.
Yeah. How come I could step off and it's gonna be a big step off?
All right, here, film me putting this in the sand and lighting it. Bring it down here, boy. Bring it down here, spicy boy. You see this?
Dip it into the sand. Like
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Just enough for like to have some fuse.
No. It's just gonna spatter sand.
If it even does.
Yeah, that's not like a lot, just like a little.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez. I've been shot!
Look at the little skirty boy. How you doing, Jimmy? This boy a jumpy boy.
What's up, Poppy boy? What's up, Poppy boy? Look at that booty, boy. Girl, who is you?
Skirt, there he goes. Thick cake.
Dang, who's she?
Thick cake.
What's up, everybody? It's the morning time. We just finished trying to sleep here. How do you feel, Connor?
Tired.
Yeah,
That's good.
you look very tired. Danny's ready for war. And we just saw the beautiful sunset, and now we're about to pack up and go to Waffle House, and that's gonna be about it. So yeah.
I want some Cheez-Its.
All right, y'all. So I just got home, took a shower, done camping and eating and all that greatness, and I'm working on a new song for SoundCloud. If you don't follow me on SoundCloud, go make a SoundCloud account and do that right now, or you shouldn't be watching these videos because you're not a real supporter. Just kidding, but I would appreciate it. And I'm dropping a new song on there tonight, so you might want to see that. That's all I got for this week. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. I know it wasn't quite as eventful as last week's, but make sure you comment, like, and
Deros. Zeros. 80 on my wrist. What? 80 on my wrist. 100 on my wrist. 80 on my wrist. What?